In school, everyone knew me by my nickname. Even teachers forgot my real name. I was Terminator, Shutter, Laptop. I had street credibility until one day my mother visited. She entered the class and said, "Please, I'm looking for Emmanuel Kofi Mensah."
What be this? What be this?
I was sitting there sweating. Jesus Christ, my street name was dying slowly. Then she added, "He didn't wash the dishes before coming." Just like that, my whole reputation reset to factory settings. Terminator became dishwasher.
You think so? They wise?